So, what started off as some casual lunches has turned into an amazing, vibrant, and visible community. My name is Kim, and I have started a group with a partner and some, other people in our community to get women over 50 together to have conversations about our vulnerabilities as well as our aspirations. Nothing changes when you get over 50 when it comes to wanting to continue to thrive. And as many people around the table last night were saying, we're not done yet. And that is, our motto. We're not done yet. And this morning I got up and I was looking at in the company of women. I was reminded of our conversations that we had last night that were about wanting to give back to family, how to still be relevant in your kids' lives, how to pivot. If you have that privilege of, wanting to retire and garden all day, pivoting in your 50s when it was not cool to pivot in your 50s or it wasn't a thing. I think it's important for us to learn from each other and also to give younger women something to look forward to. So I look at this time in my life as an opportunity to not only become a better version of myself, but to also continue to grow and thrive in community. And, one of the reasons why we named the group Vibrant and Visible is because we're all vibrant, and there's this misconception of women getting older and not being as vibrant and, vibrant to who? It's like to the male gaze or to this obsession we have with youth, and also visible because we see each other. I see you, you see me. So, what we're growing is getting together to share in community, support one another, and continue to be vibrant and visible at whatever age you are.